Hello and welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for make money online opportunities and tips to boost your online income. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting topics of our time, AI automation and how you can make money online using this incredible technology. We live in an era where artificial intelligence is transforming everything from how we live, work, and play to how we make money. Whether you're a total beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this video will show you practical ways to leverage AI automation to earn passive income, start new ventures, and work less while earning more. So strap in, hit that subscribe button, and watch this video until the end as we go deep into 7 different strategies about how you can make money online with AI automation. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money with AI. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get straight into the video. What is AI automation? Let's break it down. AI automation is the use of artificial intelligence to perform tasks automatically without the need for human intervention. Think about chatbots, automated emails, self-driving cars, and even voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. That's AI automation in action. But how does this tie into making money online? Simple. AI saves time by automating repetitive tasks, meaning you can focus on what matters most, growing your business or creating new income streams. Imagine running an online business that works for you 24/7 without needing you to do everything manually. Sounds amazing, right? Let's take a quick look at how AI automation works in everyday life. As you can see, AI automation is already doing the heavy lifting in a lot of industries. So why not use this same power to make money online? Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, build passive income, or scale an existing business, AI automation can help you succeed. Now let's get into 7 strategies about how you can make money online with AI automation. Strategy number 1, dropshipping. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's a type of e-commerce business where you don't hold inventory. Instead, you sell products from suppliers, and when you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. Here's where AI automation comes into play. AI-powered platforms like Oberlo or Spocket can handle everything from finding winning products to automating order processing. You can also use AI tools to run smart ad campaigns on Facebook and Google, making it easier than ever to scale your store. And the best part? You don't need much money up front, and once you set up your store, it can run with minimal effort on your part. AI will take care of the grunt work, leaving you more time to focus on marketing or finding new products. Strategy number 2, create content. One of my favorite ways to make money online is content creation. You can build a blog, niche website, or even a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Now here's the game changer. AI tools like Jasper, formerly Jarvis, or Copy.ai can help you create high-quality content in minutes. These tools use natural language processing to generate blog posts, social media captions, and even YouTube scripts. So instead of spending hours writing content, you can have an AI tool do it for you. This allows you to churn out more content faster and start generating income through advertising and affiliate programs. Not a writer? No problem. AI takes care of that too. Strategy number 3, affiliate marketing. This is another lucrative way to make money online when combined with AI automation. Essentially, affiliate marketing is when you promote other companies' products and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. AI can optimize your affiliate marketing strategy in several ways. You can use AI-driven email marketing tools like GetResponse or ActiveCampaign to build automated sales funnels. These tools can segment your audience, send personalized emails, and even A/B test campaigns to get the best results. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can focus on scaling and optimizing your campaigns, which in return will allow you to earn money passively while you sleep. Strategy number 4, stock market trading. Now, for those of you who want to dive into the financial markets, AI can be a game changer in the world of stock market trading. AI-powered algorithms analyze huge amounts of data, spot trends, and execute trades in milliseconds, something no human trader could ever do. Platforms like Trade Ideas or Algo Trader are perfect for beginners and seasoned traders alike. They use machine learning to help you make more informed decisions and automate your trades for you. With AI handling your trading strategy, you can make consistent profits without having to monitor the markets all day. But remember, the stock market can be risky, so always do your research and use AI tools wisely. Strategy number 5, AI-powered tools for freelancers. If you're offering services online, whether it's graphic design, digital marketing, or writing, AI can help you streamline your process and scale your business faster than ever. Let's say you're a freelance designer. Instead of manually creating social media graphics, you can use AI tools like Canva Pro or Design Hill to create your designs. These platforms use AI to suggest designs, layouts, and even color schemes, so you can deliver high-quality work in less time. And for all you digital marketers, AI tools like Surfer SEO can optimize your SEO strategies, while Grammarly takes care of your writing and Hootsuite automates your social media posting. With AI helping you improve efficiency, you can take on more clients, charge higher rates, or even start outsourcing and growing your business without being chained to your desk. Strategy number 6, print on demand. Now, who doesn't love the idea of passive income? Making money while you sleep is the dream, right? AI automation can make passive income a reality by running your online store for you. One great way to earn passive income is through a print-on-demand AI-powered business. This business model allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the item is printed and shipped automatically. AI tools like Printify or Teespring allow you to upload your designs, which can even be AI generated, and they'll take care of the rest. Once you set up your print-on-demand online store, it practically runs itself. Combine your online store with an AI-powered marketing tool, and you've got a fully automated passive income stream. Before we get into strategy number 7, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money online with AI. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get back to the video. Strategy number 7, create and sell digital products using AI. Another way to build passive income is by creating and selling digital products, like ebooks, courses, or templates. AI can help you create these products quickly. For example, you can use Scribe or Designer to automate the process of creating ebooks, or use AI course creation platforms to develop online courses. Once your digital product is live, you can automate sales funnels, customer support, and even updates, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the income rolling in. Now that we've covered all these awesome ways to make money online using AI automation, I hope you're feeling inspired to take action. Whether you're starting small or going big, the power of AI can help you work smarter, not harder. So what's the next step? Start by picking one or two of these methods that resonate with you. Explore the AI tools we discussed today and begin automating your way to online income. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. For more Make Money Online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video, and I'll see you there.